Doesn't it feel good when all that energy is coursing through your body?
I don't want to have powers. I don't want to save the world.
I suggest you find another line of work.
You have a suit and powers, and we're helpless.
Tobias, Khalil, Cyanide. They're gonna keep coming.
Tobias Whale wants to talk to you about that briefcase.
What's in the briefcase?
Hell.
The system is rigged.
Black Lightning, Thunder will always fight for justice.
What's happening to this family? It's not normal.
This is not the life I wanted for you.
My life's mission to track down all the people you love.
Checkmate.
Who are you?
No more words. Time to die.
Black Lightning. All new episodes. Tuesday, October 9th. Only on the CW. And stream free the next day on the CW app.